First thing first, connect your device. And wait a little bit.
Hi, to get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
So, like she said, take your phone and download the Google Home application. Get in the app, and if you didn't already seen something pop up on top of your phone to said that there is a new device, you should see the setup one device. Choose your home address and wait for it to looking for new devices. Actually, we got a Nest Mini. Can I hit next? Did you hear that sound? This is a confirmation to know if we heard the right device. So yes. Would you like to help Google to improve? Yes, I will, but it's up to you. Now choose where you want to set this device. This one goes to the office. Choose your network. Next. Now the phone transfer the information of the Wi-Fi password to the Nest Mini so it can connect to the Wi-Fi and accept everything. Now you may choose your language. Let's go for English. Activate voice match. This is to make the device recognize your voice a little bit easily. So yeah, agree, next, and you're gonna have 4 sentences to say. Not today, seems, but whatever. You just have to do what they ask. It's pretty easy to set up. Now, would you like to add music services? Not serious for me. Netflix only. It's only in use if you got a smart TV with Netflix on Android or a Google Cast device. Actually, I don't. So next, if you have, you just have to log in your Netflix account. Then continue. Next. And no, I don't want any publicity. No, continue. And yeah, you can skip that. You don't really need to know how it works. It's really easy. So yeah.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. I'm here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
Yeah, everything is ready to go. You can now ask to your device to play music or whatever. If you'd like to know about music, you can see the video in the upper right corner. I explain everything.
So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there is from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!